Welcome back to Shopify tutorial series by FoxEcom. In this video, we'll learn how to create new pages for your Shopify store, like an About page, a shipping policy, or a custom FAQ, and then add those pages to your store's navigation menus so shoppers can easily find. Let's get started. First, we need to create the page. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store. Then select Pages, and click Add Page. Give your page a descriptive title, such as About Us, FAQ, or Size Guide. Below the title, you'll see a rich text editor. Type or paste your content here. You can add headings, bullet points, images, or even embed videos, just like editing a simple web document. On the right side of the page editor, you'll notice some key settings. First, there's the visibility. If you want the page to go live right away, leave it set to visible. Or, if you're preparing content for later, you can schedule a specific publish date instead. Just below that is Theme Template option. If your theme includes different layouts, you can pick it from this drop-down. Finally, check the search engine listing area. Click Edit to adjust how this page appears in Google and other search results. Here you can fine-tune the page title and meta description so they're clear and keyword-friendly. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new page is now live, but not yet linked anywhere that customers can click. Next, we'll add the page to a menu so visitors can reach it. In the Shopify admin sidebar, go to Content, then click Menus. Select the menu you'd like to update. Most stores use the main menu for the top navigation or the footer menu for links at the bottom. Click Add Menu Item, give it the name you want customers to see. Click Link, choose Pages, and select the page we just created. Then Save Menu. If you want to nest a page inside a drop-down, simply drag it slightly to the right beneath a parent link before saving. Open your store and refresh the page. Your new link should now show in the header or footer, depending on the menu you chose. Also, check on mobile. Click the hamburger icon to open the mobile menu and make sure the page link is visible and loads correctly. And that's all it takes. You've created a brand new page and added it to your Shopify store's menu, giving customers clear, easy navigation. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and drop any ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.